Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the project what we have planned, that is e-commerce project. So in that project this is the part 1 of that. If you have not watched part 0, then you can go back to my channel and you can watch the part 0 of that, so that you can get the clear picture of what the planned project is about. And in this video we are going to discuss mainly 2 points. One is the project flow and another one is the database diagram of this project. So coming to the basic project flow. So one main thing I want to share with you is don't bother about the look and feel of this project, because we are implementing only the features of Angular or concepts of Angular in this project. We are not mainly focusing on the look and feel of this project. So coming to the basic project flow, this is an e-commerce project. So there will be some products. These products will be supplied by the suppliers or vendors. So whenever user comes to this e-commerce site, user can go to the products and he can purchase the products and he can do the payment. When the payment is done, the order will be generated. Once the order is generated, it will be assigned to the shippers. So these shippers will deliver the product to the users. So this is the basic flow of this project, and here I am including only the basic flow, because for the users itself there will be many screens in this project, like login screens and sign up screens, like that. For the product there will be different screens like uploading of the product screen and displaying of the product screens, like that. So there will be many screens in this. So the user will be either admin or normal user, like that. So my main focus is on only implementing all the concepts of Angular in this project. So don't feel about the look and feel and all that. So coming to the second thing, this is the SQL server I am using in this project, and you can see the different tables in this project, like categories, ebooks, order details, orders, like that. So this is the diagram of all the tables. I will share this diagram with you, and I will share the code to create all the tables in the description. So you can see here there will be categories. In these categories there will be either books or magazines, like this, and there will be users. Users will be subscribing to the ebooks, and there will be user address, user shipping address, and user will do the payment, and user will create the orders. So after that, the particular order is assigned to the shippers. So you can see the diagram here. This will cover every point in our flow diagram. So I will share this picture and the code for creating the database tables with you in the description. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.